So we even have your name written down. So we know it's a scam. Just
Grandmother?
you are Bencho. Are you gonna really play that game? You want to play that game?
No, no, no.
What?
Yes, I want to play a game.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Uh, so you don't want to play that game. Well then, can you?
What game you're talking about?
Oh my goodness, he's gonna pretend he's not a scammer, guys. Really? Okay. There you go. And it finally came out. The whole truth came out.